cup.
1 cup, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Forgot about that myself. 1 cup.
We have a small
I know. What are you doing?
drink or something drop.
And we guess we need a bowl, or you just do it in that bowl?
That bowl there's probably everything in here.
Here to make sure it's sound. The last 2 times I've run my video, there's no sound. You know, I don't know if my sound, I got it running. Yesterday the sound wasn't on, but it doesn't show where you turn it on.
Flour. Into mixer. How much salt?
Well,
You're like, that much.
I would say about that much. You measure that out.
Like a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half?
Yes.
Okay. Literally, like, I bet you 7 years.
I've never seen one quite like that.
Big knife or just
Yeah, I'm gonna cut this in quarters.
Who wants to be part of this?
on this.
That's right. What kind of rolling pin you got?
I just bought some. I've got a bigger one. I just gotta find the.
Oh, yeah, I can do that.
Mine about 1/8 of an inch.
1/8 of an inch.
Okay.
Oh, good. God, look how big that gets.
1/8. Okay. Now,
Now this is the science. How much?
well, what we're gonna do is you don't need a lot of this, okay?
No.
Because it's gonna spread as we roll it.
And spread.
Yeah, that's a good way to do it.
That's great.
Now we do that. Okay, this is part of this. Okay.
Did you add more flour on this or
Yeah, look
just
at-
on the
Yeah,
roller?
because I got to roll you don't want it to get.
Okay.
Okay, now when you roll,
Uh-huh.
you press down on it
Uh-huh.
and move it forward.
Wow.
Guys over here.
Oh, yes, I see it.